Do you want to filter your data by coloring? Let's go with me. Select the header cell or row. On Data button, click Filter, the click Filter symbol, then click Filter by color. Choose your favorite color. Well done. It is your turn now. If you want to add 00 in front of your data, please select your data and right-click Choose Format Cell on Custom. And then click General. You type 0000 and click OK. If you want to remove, do the same way, just delete 0000 and OK. Now your turn. Thanks.
Meet me with Move Cell in Excel. Let's go. I suggest 3 methods. First, select your cell, then click left mouse to move. Second, select your cell, right-click, copy, and click here and paste. Third, select first column and then right and click Insert Column. It is your stage now. Thanks for watching. Now I have 5 filling type. Look my practice and see how different. Do it by yourself. Thanks. If you want to sort your data to be A to Z or Z to A, please do it. The first, select your data. Then go to Data tab, then click on Sort on the order, select A to Z or Z to A. This stage is yours.
Do you want to highlight your duplicated data? Follow me. Select your data. On Home button, click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells rule. Then click on Duplicate Value. On Value With, choose your condition and OK. It will be highlight for you. Thanks for watching. Your turn now.
Hello everyone. Today I will show about conditional format in Excel. This is the data as example. I stand on Home tab and go to Conditional Format and then choose Highlight Cells rules. Now I focus on greater than. Type number in the box greater than. Example, want to highlight greater than 1. In the width box, you can choose condition you want. Or go to Custom Format and go to Fill and choose the color you need, then OK. It will be highlight the greater than 1 and all of text.
Want to filter your data? Follow me. Select a header cell on Data button. Click Filter. Then click on Filter symbol. Unselect all. Then choose data you want to show. It is OK. Now your turn.
Follow me for separate text from your data. Select You column or data. On Data button, click on Text to Column. Then Next. Click on Space. Next. And finish. Well done. The stage is yours. Let's come for learning's shortcut key with Ctrl+C. With example, I have first name, last name, and I want a full name without write down all name. The first I need to write down for first row. Then enter and then Ctrl+C. Well done. Please do it by yourself. Thanks for watching. This video will show you how to insert new column and new row. Let's do it by yourself.